Hello, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Amin.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Lamin.
Thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Tufail.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Tufael.
Thank you. So, where do you come from, Alamin?
I come from
And how long have you lived here?
for 2 years.
And where do you come from, Tufail?
I come.
And how long have you lived here?
I live here 4 years.
Okay. Now, in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. All right? So, Alamin, do you have a daily routine?
Yes, I have. I always follow it.
So, what would you like to change in your daily routine?
I'd like to change my sleeping hours because I sleep a lot.
Okay. So, Tufail, what is your favorite type of weather?
My favorite types of weather, cold weather.
Okay. So, what do you like to do on a hot summer day?
I stay at home, drink a lot of water. I don't usually go out unless I have to.
So, Alamin, do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling to new places.
So, which city in the world would you like to visit?
I'd like to travel to Abu Dhabi in Dubai to see the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on the earth.
Okay. So, Tufail, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I do. It is always fun, gives me new experience.
So, where do you plan to visit in the future?
I plan to travel to France to see the Eiffel Tower.
Now, in this part, you are going to talk for about 1 minute. While you are talking, your partner will listen to you. Then your partner will ask you 2 questions about what you have said at the end. Alamin, you are going to tell Tufail about something you want which is very important to you and why you think it is important. Tufail, you are going to tell Alamin about a restaurant or cafe you often like going to and why you like going there. Now think about what you are going to say. You have 1 minute. If you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, Alamin. Now you are going to tell Tufail about something you want which is very important to you and why you think it is important. Tufail, listen and ask 2 questions at the end.
I'm going to tell something I own, which is very important to me. Why I think it is important. It is my mobile phone. I use it for various purposes. I call my friends and family with this phone. I also download music and listen to it on my phone. I use internet on my phone. I use social media such as Facebook on my phone. I get notification and updates instantly on my phone from social media and my email account. I also send email and text by this phone. Also, I check my emails and news updates by using mobile phone. This is why my mobile phone, I believe, is the most important thing that I own.
Okay, thank you. Tufail, please ask your questions now.
When did you buy this mobile phone? I bought this mobile phone 2 years ago. What is names of your mobile phone? This mobile phone name is Samsung Galaxy S22.
Okay, Tufail, now you are going to tell Alamin a cafe or restaurant that you often like to go and why you like going there. Alamin, listen and ask 2 questions at the end.
I go to spicy restaurant. I go this almost every weekend. They sells variety food. I go there with my friends and I like eating fish and chips mostly in this restaurant. They offer better quality food with cheaper price competitively. Also another reasons I like going this it is near my house, only 10 minutes walk from where I live. It is well decorated, a big restaurant. They also offer better quality. They also provide a better customer service. All the staff are really friendly, welcome with a smile. And this another reasons I like go this restaurant. The restaurant has a peaceful setting area for customer, so that everyone can enjoy their meals and easily.
Okay, Alamin, please ask your questions now.
Well, do you go to this restaurant alone? No, I always go there with my friends. Do you eat any other food at this restaurant? Yes, I eat French fries or biryani at this restaurant.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You hear 2 people phoning from different places. Where are they? At home, at the dentist, or in hospital? Now listen to the information.
Hi, it's Sally here. I had the baby this morning. It's a little girl, but she hasn't got a name yet. She's fine, and so am I. Actually, I really want to go home, but the doctor says I have to stay here for 2 more days. It would be great if you could visit. The nurse says I can have visitors from tomorrow. If you can't come, then just give me a call. Okay then, speak soon. Bye.
Script 2. Hi, it's Pavel. I'm in the waiting room. I was lucky to get an appointment for 9:30 this morning, so it isn't long to wait. I feel really nervous. I never like coming here. My tooth really hurt yesterday, and this morning it was so bad I had to stay at home. I couldn't eat or drink anything. I hope he doesn't have to take it out. Anyway, I'm definitely going to the party whatever happens, so I'll see you there tomorrow night. Bye.
Okay, thank you. In the first recording, Alamin, where are they? At home, at the dentist, or in hospital?
In hospital.
Okay, thank you. In the second recording, Tupayan, where are they? At home, at the dentist, or in hospital?
At the dentist.
Okay, thank you. Now you're going to listen to the recordings again and answer this question. So Tufail, in the first recording, when was the woman's baby born and how long does she have to stay in hospital? Alamin, in the second recording, what time is the men's appointment and when is the party? Now listen to the information again.
Hi, it's Sally here. I had the baby this morning. It's a little girl, but she hasn't got a name yet. She's fine, and so am I. Actually, I really want to go home, but the doctor says I have to stay here for 2 more days. It would be great if you could visit. The nurse says I can have visitors from tomorrow. If you can't come, then just give me a call. Okay then, speak soon. Bye.
Script 2. Hi, it's Pavel. I'm in the waiting room. I was lucky to get an appointment for 9:30 this morning, so it isn't long to wait. I feel really nervous. I never like coming here. My tooth really hurt yesterday, and this morning it was so bad I had to stay at home. I couldn't eat or drink anything. I hope he doesn't have to take it out. Anyway, I'm definitely going to the party whatever happens, so I'll see you there tomorrow night. Bye.
Okay, thank you. So Tufail, in the first recording, when was the woman's baby born
This morning,
and how long does she have to stay in hospital?
2 more days.
Okay, thank you. Now in the second recording, Alamin, what time is the men's appointment
9:30
and when is the party?
tomorrow night.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part you are going to talk together. You are going to talk together about reading books. So talk to each other about the books that you like to read.
I like reading books in my free time. I like reading short story books. What about you?
Also, I like reading books. I like non-fiction books. Why do you read short story books?
I like reading short story books because it is easy to read and understand. What about you?
I read non-fiction books. It's provide useful and practical information. How often do you read a short story book?
I read short story books during the weekend. What about you?
I read non-fiction books every morning. I read books at my home. So do you read books at home or in library?
I read short story books in library. So do you like reading crime fiction book?
Yes, I do like mystery and crime fiction books. They are full of mystery. Do you like reading science fiction books?
Yes, sometimes I like reading science fiction books. I learn more about science by watching this kind of film.
Yes, science fiction books are really interesting to read. It tells us about many unknown things.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the test.